Junior. Today, I'm gonna be, I am with my friend. So my name is Renda Junior. Today,
Sama.
I'm gonna be, I am with my friend. Reason about compound machine. The introduction of compound machine is made up of two or more, more simple machine working together. An example of compound machine that can be found in the home, classroom, or workplace is a pair of scissors. These are made up of wedge and two lever. Compound machines save people time, effort, and even injury. Thanks to compound machine, it is possible to accomplish more in less time than would otherwise be possible. Next is literature review. For, for Article 1 is a device that combine two or more simple machine is called a compound machine. An example of a compound machine is a wheelbarrow, the stroller, the function of the wheel, and axle are combined into the many compound machine can be created through the use of six basic simple machine. Some example of compound machine are can opener, shovel, and jigs. What is compound machine? This compound machine has two or more simple machines that work together. An example is compound machine that can be found in the home, classroom, or workplace. Because of that, the compound machine can help us for the daily work as possible to achieve more in less time than it is possible to do. For, a- for Article 2, compound machine efficiency, efficiency friction is the force that opposition between any surface in contact. Among all machines, they have moving part and friction, so they have to use some move done to overcome friction. Compound machine also have a more moving part than simple machine because they usually have more friction to apply. As a result, compound machine tend to have lower efficiency than simple machine. Lubricant as oil or grease can be used to coat the moving part of a machine so they slide more easily against each other. Mechanical advantage of compound machine. The mechanical advantage of machine is a vector that changes the force applied to the machine. Many machines increase the force applied to them, and this is how they make work easier. Compound machine have greater mechanical advantage than simple machine because the mechanical advantage of a compound machine is equal to the product of the mechanical advantage of all its component simple machine. The last of list is the more simple machine it contain the greater its mechanical advantage. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, I will present about the discussion as in content about a compound machine. Compound machine is made up of two or more machines that collaborate. A pair of scissors is an example of a compound machine that we found in the home, classroom, or workplace. Scissors are construction constructed from two wedges and two levers. People can save time, effort, and even injury by using compound machine. To return the sensor tearing a piece of paper in a straight line that longer than using a full pair of sensor. Compound machine enable to use to us accomplish more in a less time. Made, made to make our work easier. Compound machine is the implies the moving apart. They do not increase the amount of force you apply. Instead, the simple shift the force direction. Majority of machine on the planet are compound machine. A compound machine can increase mechanical advantage when a simple machine cannot. A compound machine allows us to use of less force to move object. This occurs because it can multiply the force applied, whereas a simple machine cannot. This is due to the fact the mechanical advantage of a compound machine is the result of all the simple machine cooperating. Humans have endeavored to find ways to make it easier to do work, not work in the sense of having a job, but the scientific meanings of work. When force is applied apply to an object and it moves in the same direction, same direction is doing work. For example, if Charles applies a force to the pedal on a bicycle and the gear turn the tires in the same direction, the bicycle is
Adi
doing
hard
work.
copy
Simple machines are mechanical or structurally
print
combined to
cartoon.
make work easier. Okay, we talk about a pair of sensors again. For example, it makes of two wedges compound machine allow a person to use less force to complete a task because that is made up or of more than one simple machine. Some compound machines are made up of two simple machines. Two examples were barrel and
Sensor
the
yung video sila
corkscrew.
siya.
Other compound machines such
Gunanin na
as
telepon ko.
bicycles
Send.
are made up of
Ambat ko.
numerous simple machines. Last compound machines such as automobiles may be made up of hundreds or even thousands of simple transport large objects. It is made up of two basic machines, a lever and a wheel, and pushed upward by the lever. The lever increases the force, making the load easier to lever in turns. Applies to the lever by picking up the wheelbarrow and handles put effort into the lever. Because all machine having moving part and friction, they must use direction. Friction is a force that opposes movement between any two surfaces that are in contact. Because all machines have moving part and friction, they must use some of the work applied to them. When a compound machine is made up, of many simple machines, friction can become a serious issue and generate a lot of heat. Lubricant such as oil or grease can be used to coat the moving part of a machine, allow them to slide more easily over each other. This is how friction in a car engine is reduced. A machine mechanical advantage is the factor the change of force applies to the machine. Many machines increase the force applied to the machine is the actor by which is changed. The change the force applied to them. That because the mechanical advantage of all components simple machine. The greater the number of machine is contains, the greater is mechanical advantage than to be. For a conclusion, a compound machine is made up two or more simple machines that collaborate. A compound machine enable you to accomplish more in less time than would otherwise otherwise be possible. Compound machine have a friction. Friction is a force that opposes movement between any two surfaces that are in contact. As a result, compound machines are typically less efficient than simple machines. When a compound machine is made up of many simple machines, friction can become a serious issue and generate a lot of heat. Lubricate says this is how friction is reduced car, our car engine. Compound machines have a mechanical advantage over simple machines. This is due to the fact the mechanical advantage of a compound machine equal the product of the mechanical advantage of all simple machines. The greater the number of simple machines in it, the greater the mechanical advantage. Ever since that start of time, humans have developed a lot of compound machine, that a lot of device as well as tool for making our work easier and faster. This compound machine make work easy and comfortable. Humans have been doing develop a lot of device on and tool. During their inventions, they have to come for creating compound machine. When using a compound machine, a person can exert less force to accomplish the task since the compound machine will provide the remaining force. This compound machine will make our day more easy to do a heavy work. That's all from me.